गोयचो आवाज संघटनेन फक्त आपली प्रतिमा पिड्ड्यार करपाक आपल्या आड फटींग आनी बनावट गजालींचो आधार घेतला. जे कितें संघटना आरोप करतात तातूंत कांय तथ्य ना म्हण कुठ्ठाळेचे आमदार एलिना सल्डानान उलयल्यात. अर्डेक्सको खातीर कासावलेच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Related to this issue of parking area and a 10-meter wide road, and I'm calling for this press conference basically because all this while I was not aware who had asked for this parking area and 10-meter wide road in these properties belonging to Matani. Today I have evidence with me by way of letters. I have all the letters which tell very clearly that there was one individual asking for this parking area and 10-meter wide road. And the first letter here is written by, the first letter is dated 25th June 2007, and the letter is written by Mr. Arsenio de Silva from Kasauli. He addressed that letter to the Chief Minister, asking the Chief Minister to provide access to the beach on behalf of the people of the village and Goa. Similarly, there are many other letters. There is also one letter from one Mr. Nobel Vaz, directed to the GCZMA, asking them for the zoning. And the GCZMA has replied very definitely that plot survey number 85/8 falls under NDZ and no development can take place. Now, Mr. Arsenio de Silva was asking for access road to this plot 85/8, which GCZMA stated very definitely that it is a plot where no development can happen because 85/8 falls within NDZ. So all this evidence proves who is the person that asked for the parking area and the 10-meter wide road. I would like to make it very clear that the reason for my having this press conference is not to point a finger at anybody or to say that somebody has indulged in an illegality. We all have our needs and we do our best we strive hard to get our needs fulfilled as per the law. However, this press conference was important to prove Goincho Awaz wrong and to tell Goincho Awaz that it is a crime to point a finger at innocent people, to say that somebody has committed a crime without trying to find out the truth. Today I stand vindicated because here is all the evidence that proves my innocence. And I would like to tell Goincho Awaz, genuine activism is based on sincerity and truth and not on fabrication and lies.